Welcome back to Explore Error. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the Settings app not opening in Windows. So let's get started. First, restart your PC. This may sound simple, but many times the Settings app doesn't open because of a small system glitch, and restarting can fix it quickly. If that doesn't work, click on the Start menu, type Settings, then right-click on it and select App Settings. Scroll down and click on Repair. If the problem is still there, click on Reset. Don't worry, this will not delete your personal files. Next, we will fix system errors using Command Prompt. Click on Start, type Command Prompt, right-click on it and choose Run as Administrator. Now type sfc/scan now and press Enter. Wait for the scan to finish. This will fix corrupted Windows files. If the Settings app still doesn't open, check for Windows updates. Open Windows Update and install any pending updates, because outdated files can cause system apps to stop working. And that's it. These steps should fix the Settings app not opening in Windows. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more Windows tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.